The Justice Department told establishments that express lanes for PWDs should be available regardless of the transaction. This after the National Council on Disability Affairs brought up a complaint filed by a PWD. The person complained about a mall's absence of express lanes for PWDs during the purchasing of a ticket for a K-pop concert. DOJ said express lanes for PWDs are indicated under the Act, expanding the benefits and privileges of persons with disabilities. However, they noted that their statement is only a legal opinion and it can be served as a reference for future legislation. Hanggang ngayon ba wala tayong mga access for PWDs? Matagal na itong...
Siguro kasi akala nila dito, porket concert siya ng K-pop, walang ganon. Pero yun nga, syempre Magna Carta for PWD, lahat dapat accessible para sa
Mahirap
lahat.
na yung laging magdi-decision ka dahil akala nila porket concert wala, hindi na kailangan. Hindi naman.
Dapat ganun. Sa lahat ng transaction, regardless of transaction.
Malinaw naman ang Magna Carta eh. Kung ano yung access meron ang fully abled person, dapat ganun din ang differently abled or PWD. They have to have the same access regardless kung ano pa man ang transaction na gagawin.
Ang nag-file daw ng complaint ay from the National Council on Disability Affairs or NCDA. So, dyan naman pagka yung mga nasa PWD community natin, kapag meron silang reklamo, ang NCDA naman will always help them doon sa mga complaint nila kasi sila yung nangangasiwa para sa mga kapatid nating nasa PWD community.
Actually, yesterday, yung kami ni Mio pumila sa isang controversial pila.
Oo, di ba pumila ka din?
Walang access akong nakita kasi nasa isang theater area yung bentahan ng tickets. Yung doors were very small na hindi kakasya ang wheelchair. Tapos yung bilihan ng ticket right sa taas ng stairs tsaka ng escalator. Walang elevator inside. Medyo malayo ang elevator other side pa. So, yung access for PWDs to access this specific concert ng yung alam mo yung controversial concert
kay Olivia Rodrigo.
Ay, Diyos ko. That's another banter altogether. Pero I didn't see any access sa kanila. Therefore, yung mga PWDs, I think they were rerouted to the bowling area of this mall. Kasi nasa bowling area, hindi mo kailangan umakyat. True enough, nobody was able to buy tickets sa area na yon at sa area namin because nagkagulo sa access areas. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko, kung anong access meron ng isang regular or
sa batas
fully,
yan actually.
Oo,
sa
dapat
batas
meron din sila.
Meron din yan.
Huwag
Huwag nila antayin na meron pang magrereklamo bago gumawa ng decision about it or action about it.
They're isolating a critical member of the community when they do
Actually, yung ano nga di ba, yung ang tawag dito, yung even yung sa mga parking areas.
Ay, just...
Di ba, merong ang nakalagay doon specifically for PWD.
For PWD. Dami
Tapos
nagpa-park.
yung iba magpa-park kahit di naman sila PWD. Di ba? O, sige, Diego.
Okay, to get more insights about this, we have National Council on Disability Affairs Executive Director Glenda Relova.
Hi, good morning, Miss Glenda. Thanks for joining us again. Ay, naku, nawala si Miss Glenda. Si Miss Glenda siya yung Executive Director ng NCDA. And siya yung nakausap din natin the last time.
I remember,
regarding dun sa, yung sa, saan ba yun? Yung sa MRT? Yung
MRT,
not MRT.
Yung ramp. Yung ramp na walang... yung matarik na ramp ramp ng kamatayan ng joke nila doon. Stairway to Heaven.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Balikan natin yung issue kanina doon tungkol sa PWD. No, we have National Council on Disability Affairs or NCDA Executive Director Glenda Relova. Good morning, Ma'am Glenda.
Good morning po, Ma'am Angela and Sir Angelo.
Thanks for joining us again po. Could you tell us po more about this complaint, yung regarding nga po dito sa in-endorse ng NCDA to DOJ?
Opo, it was received po ng NCDA sometime in February regarding po sa sales ng tickets ng SM San Lazaro po na hindi po nag-provide ng express lane or priority lane for a certain persons with disability. So, sinulatan po namin yung pong SM regarding this, and then SM parang replied through a lawyer na sinasabi po na hindi daw po parang cover ang mga parang hindi basic necessities for the express lane, which we said naman na yung law expressly stated naman po na all transactions, regardless whether it is basic or not basic necessity, dapat magpo-provide po siya. And they are asking us for an opinion or a memorandum, and since nga po kami sa NCDA ay secretariat lang yung function, and we have the DOJ as subcommittee on justice, so pinorward po namin dito para lang po mabigyan lang din po kami ng information sa NCDA whether yun po opinion po namin sa NCDA ay tama or hindi po. Opo.
Ano pa yung statement na or stance po ng DOJ regarding this po? Ano po reaction nyo kung meron na pong linabas?
Yung pong nakalagay sa kanila as Attorney General is they provide opinion po for government officials sa execution of our function. But this one po is just for personal information po lang po yan since I was the one who wrote the letter. So, ang sabi po doon is tama po yung interpretation po ng NCDA. Actually, it doesn't need to be interpreted na po yung law.
Okay.
Talagang explicit po siya. Kung makikita po natin, doon sa Magna Carta of Persons with Disability, inamend po yun, itong RA 10574, na inilagay po yung word na all. So, and the title of the law itself is an act expanding the benefits and privileges of persons with disability. Ibig sabihin, doon sa dating batas, meron na. Pero dito po, mas in-strengthen at mas pinalawak pa. So, kaya po, yun po, very clear naman po na sinasabi po na provision of express lane in all transactions from private and government institutions or facilities. And kung wala pong express lane, priority should be given to persons with disability po.
Right. Itong statement ng DOJ, nakarating na rin ba to doon sa establishment na meron po kayong complaint?
Nakarating na po ito based po doon sa sagot namin sa SM po, and actually it was forced through the PACC po sa Malacanang. And it is considered as a case closed na nga po.
Okay.
Opo, August pa po case closed na po ito. Pero yun nga lang, parang mainam din at nagkaroon din ng parang clarification din po as to our stand po at NCDA.
Totoo. Oo. Kumbaga ito na yung pagbabasihan na di ba? Oo. Pero
kasi ma'am, di ba, talaga naman sa batas natin na we provide reasonable accommodations for persons with disability because of the fact na yung principles of equity, di po ba? Equality only applies to those pare-parehas tayo ng trato. So pare-parehas din tayo ng pagtatrato. Pero equality or equity should be given pagka hindi po tayo pare-parehas ng kapasidad, kakayahan. Kaya nga po nandoon yung reasonable accommodation. Opo.
Alright, with that, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. That was NCDA Executive Director Glenda Relova. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am and sir. Magandang umaga.
Alright.